Hello everyone, welcome back to Liz's Kitchen. Today I am preparing corn dog. Very easy recipe. All you need, some hot dog of your choice, beef, chicken, pork, whatever you like. Corn muffin mix. I have 2 boxes of those. I'm doing eggs, milk, and butter. That's it. So let's first start cutting our hot dog. Yes, we are going to cut them up. So with that said, let's cut hot dogs. All right. Well, you want to cut them small because you will be putting them um like you're cooking a regular um cornbread, so you would just be adding them in there. That's it. Cut them into three. I missed that. Okay, there you go. All right, there you go. This one too big. Cut them some more. You want as small as possible. So put that into the bowl and do the rest. So you are going to cut all of these, and we'll be putting it into your cornbread mix. All right, like you're making a regular cornbread, but you're going to be adding this into your cornbread. And less work. You don't have to fry like the regular corn dog. You are just gonna be having corn dog, like a cornbread mix. All right, so there we go. Cut that, put it in. Got 3 more to cut. I'm making a half pan, so I need a lot of them cut up. All right, we are done cutting them up. All right, so put them on the side. Take them up, put them on the side. All right, and that's all the cutting would be done. So I'm going to move this board. I don't need that no more. And I'm going to get my pan for my cornbread mix. All right, so I'm going to put 2 cornbread mix into my bowl. If you want to do a bigger one, you do more. If your pan is small like mine, you make it small. But it depends how much you want. So I'm doing 2 boxes. And of course you can follow the direction on the box. My box over here is looking for 1 egg and 1/3 of milk. So 1 egg and 1/3 of milk. All right, that's 1 pack, and I'm going to put the second pack in there. Put the second pack in. All right. We get that. Make sure you kind of all the little lumps in there. Make sure you get that off. Okay. All right. Now, 1 egg and 1/3 milk. So I have my cup. This is 1/3, so I'm going to do it 2 times. 1 and 2. Okay, we got 2 of those. And now we need 2 eggs, 1 for each box. So I do 1 egg. And of course, this is the second one. 2 eggs for 2 boxes. All we're gonna do now is mix them up. There we go. If you want to add a little bit more sugar, it's up to you. I'm not going to add that. Okay. There you go. That's 2 boxes. Alright, so smush lumpy, less lumps, the better. You just keep stirring it until you get rid of the lumps. Alright, there you go. Now, that's it. It's good. I think that's good enough. Alright, so what we're going to do next, after you stir your corn muffin mix, we are going to get a bowl and put some butter in here. So I'm going to put enough butter in there like that. Make sure you have enough butter. So the hot dog is going to the bottom, that would cook, and some will go on the top. So we're gonna add your hot dog to the bottom like that. Alrighty, there we go. Look at that. Just spread them around. You just want to make sure you get them all spread up on top of your hot dog, okay? So spread them up. Spread them all over. So you want to do while I'm doing this, make sure your oven is on 400, preheat 400 before you put in your corn muffin, okay? So there we go. I'm also going to add a little bit of some of my hot dog on top because I still got some left. Yep, still got some left over. You want to put them all on the top, all right? You want to taste your hot dog when you're eating your cornbread. And you're going to love this recipe. And You will always eat cornbread like this. You can have it for dinner. Put it on your dinner table. There we go. All right, so I'm going to put it in the oven. And like I said, always follow your direction on your box. How long you want to keep it there for? 15 to 20 minutes. That's right, 15 to 20 minutes. That's how long we're going to keep this there for. And we're going to come back and take a... All right, guys, so this is it. For 20 minutes, you let it sit in there. I did let it go a little bit over 20. So this was 22 minutes. All right, just because I wanted it to be brown on the top and really cooked in the bottom. So 22 minutes to be exact. There you have it, our corn bread or corn dog bread. This recipe, when you do it, you're gonna love eating corn dog this way. It's easy to fix this way. Because I think the regular way to do the corn dog is takes so much time and you gotta fry it. This one you don't need to fry it. You just mix it up, put it in the oven, and yes, you get all this sausage. Your yes, look at it. See that? Bottom is cooked well. You can see the butter and everything in the bottom. So this is how you want it to look. Now, I'm going to cut it inside just so you can see. On the inside, you got all your cornbread, and of course, you do have your hot dog. Let's taste this hot, so I'm gonna be going careful. Yep, corn dog is cooked. Our hot dog is cooked, as you can see. Yep. Okay, so the hot dog is cooked. Cornbread is also cooked. You can see that your cornbread is cooked all the way. You're going to eat that with your hot dog. Okay. Once you try this recipe, you will never have corn dog the same way. You will always cook it this way. I think this was just, if this is your first time watching my video, I appreciate you turning in today. Please subscribe to my video so you can get the next one when I upload it. Real good. Thanks for watching, y'all, and I will see you next time, okay?